These guys are loading the luggage and we're about to head out in a while. Let's see how much we can cover today. What are the things we can cover today?
So basically every one of us overslept and so we are late.
Yeah,
right now.
we were super tired from the hike yesterday. So let's see how much
we
we
had a good
can.
leg workout by the way.
My legs still hurt. I can't climb stairs.
Something left है guys. Something left.
कैमरा भी दिखा दे भाई.
Scam हो गया.
Baba.
Nani?
So here we are at what we're told is the Seven Sisters waterfall,
But there is
and as we expected, there is very little water. So it's not really a great time to visit here in November.
as you can see there aren't many waterfalls here.
Yep.
View find it
So I guess the ideal time to visit here would be around
Monsoon.
October, September, like after monsoons. So here we are, but still a very beautiful place. You can see the vibrant blue skies, a lot of clouds. Makes sense why it's called Meghalaya. Here's Samu posing with his camera. Hello Samu. Samik's trying to make a time lapse.
Hi.
Sorry. देख वाइड एंगल में ट्राई कर रहा
हाँ वाइड एंगल में बहुत अच्छा है
तो इसका एंगल देख
जस्ट अ सेकंड
The calm and peaceful atmosphere of the mountains is why I keep coming back here. Away from the clutter, where all the noise fades away and you're left with the pure, unadulterated beauty.
Here's Samik.
Hi.
Always busy on the camera, trying to get a cool shot of this view. It's amazing.
That evening, we saw what was one of the most beautiful sunsets any of us had ever seen. And had we not been late, we might have missed this. So I guess everything happens for a reason.